Hey guys, what's up? This is Ironic Ava and you are watching Ironic Ava YouTube channel. So in this video today I am going to show you how to hack any game in your PC using cheat engine. Before starting this video, make sure you subscribe my channel Ironic Ava and press the bell icon. So if you Internet Download Manager, then you can watch my previous video for infinite trials in IDMs. First, listen the things I am saying. This hack is very easy. It will not work in games like Valorant and PUBG. If you want to hack PUBG, then check the description, link is there. This hack will work for Hill Climb Racing, SimCity and others. So without any further delay, let's get started. After you enter your PC, you need to open Cheat Engine. Download link is in description. When Cheat Engine is on, click on Open icon and select the game you want to hack. In my case, the game will be Hill Climb Racing. So here you can see I have 0 coins. Before starting, make sure you have at least 1 coin. So, I am going to play so that I can earn some coins. Now I have 215 coins. That is enough for process. When you earn coin, go to the value section and type your current coins or money. After that, you can see all the values related to your result. In order to change value, you need again play the game and earn few amounts of coin. Now you can see I have 320 coins. After that, again go to the value section and type your current amount of coins. And hit next scan. On the left side you can see 3 results. The first one is the thing you need, click that. After that you can see the value in the description. Double click here and change the value or write the amount of money you want. After that, open your game and you can see the result. Hope you like my video. Hit like button if T works.